What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy again with another amazing video. Today is going to be the official first review of the 2018 Aprilia Tuono V4 Factory. I feel like on the last video I did not do a great job of reviewing the bike, so I kind of want to make sure that I give you guys a full rundown of what the bike has already before the video starts. Thank you guys so much for the support. The channel is growing, so if you guys haven't already, make sure you like, comment, subscribe down below. This is like the race / track version of the Tuono V4. Even though Tuono V4s and RSV4s of Aprilia are meant to be on the track, this is has a bit more like gizmos and gadgets for track riding and more speeder riding to just perform a lot better. And I think one of the biggest things that are different from this than the base model is the fact that they have the rear and front suspension are both adjustable. And I think there's a couple more tech things inside the computer that are different from just the V4 1100 RR or just the base model of the Tuono V4. I apologize, I don't know like all the little things, but I kind of want to give you guys a full review of, you know, this bike and what I know so far and what's already on it. And then also we'll be doing an exhaust sound clip. I've been riding all day because the weather is magnificent right now and I'm in this empty parking lot. Basically, the previous owner had put a lot of work into it, like a lot of things that you should be doing to a bike when you get it. I already has CRG levers on it. These are amazing. Front RNG sliders, frame sliders, as well as rear sliders as well. Also, there are engine covers already on the bike. GB Racing engine covers on both sides. Also too, we have stomp grip tank grips, which are amazing because I took it to the track and it feels amazing. That stuff isn't cheap. Like the engine covers, the frame sliders, that stuff is not cheap. The CRG levers is not cheap. Like, I'm really happy that the previous owner did that because I don't gotta do it. I just gotta go ride now. And also too, the Puig, whatever it's called, front windscreen, and I love it. I love it so much. I feel like it gives like more of like that better look of like the front. The base model of the Tuono V4 doesn't come with like this nice tail end. It actually comes with like another seat. So yeah, this is more of like the race track version of the Tuono V4. That's why I got it. Since I go to the track, I wanted a bike that could do, you know, on the street as well as on the track. So I feel like this was a really good purchase. But the highlight of all these mods is of course the exhaust. This is a HP Corsa exhaust. As you can see, it says made in Italy, which is pretty sick. And I believe this is just a slip-on. I think it sounds great with just a slip-on, the HP Corsa. So without further ado, some revs. Oh my god, so loud, man. Alright. Oh my god. Oh my god. But yeah guys, this bike is so loud. The video does no justice, like it really doesn't. But there's 3 ride modes on here. There's sport, race, and track. I heard that the 3 race modes are slightly different in terms of like traction control, engine braking, as well as like launch control, ABS. I preferably like to be like right in the middle. It does have a meter for how much your angle is, and then also too, it does measure your brake. So if you guys can see that 100, look at that. That's sick. That's throttle too. When I input the throttle, measures that as well. So that's like little things that matter when you're on the track, you know. You don't look at it specifically while you're on the track, but it does give you a better idea of, you know, how you're performing. What I also love about this bike is that it does have a pit button. That pit button is important when you're in a paddock at the track because, you know, you don't want to go over the speed limit. Yeah, I can tell you guys right now, this bike is just, it flicks so well. It's a heavy bike. It's like 460 pounds. So you expect this bike to be super heavy. Oh my god. And also what I love about this bike is the quick shifter. The quick shifter is just phenomenal. It's so smooth. I always hear with Aprilia, especially the newer ones too, that the quick shifters are just like getting even better with how smooth it is. Just so smooth. So again, I'm currently in race mode right now, and we'll take it on the highway, you know, do some runs. But look how smooth the quick shifter is. Yeah. Oh, it's too good, man. It's too good. bike is just next level. The problem is I'm not even cranking all the way. It's just there. So I'm in sport now. This is sport. This is like the lowest setting of the bike. There is no low setting on this bike though. This bike is a beast. Sport is still fast, you know what I'm saying? So, I don't know. Alright, so now it's in a race. Get some downshifts here. Woo! Race is so nice. I didn't want to go to track, guys. Should I go to track? Alright, let's go. Ah! Oh! There's like a slight more power. Like a little bit. Like a very little. No, not doing it. It's just too much. Yeah, track is definitely a lot more powerful. If you guys can hear me, that's gonna be it for today's video. I want to end it on the bike. I have a feeling that you guys are really gonna enjoy this bike and the content. But yeah, I just want to thank you guys so much for the support. It's gonna be a great track season. The new bike, it's gonna be great. So if anything, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Deuces.